everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you know each time I'm coming on. But what I wanted to come to you today and talk about and really share some information that can be helpful to you guys, especially folks out there who are writing ebooks, books, training materials, blogs, all of that. There is a very simple way to churn out those materials much faster. I myself am working on an ebook. I hope to have it out in the next couple of months. And I'm telling you guys, once I discovered this simple tool, it has sped up my process for getting my book written. And it's real simple, guys. Google Docs. Google Docs. This is the bomb diggity, okay? It is free. It is free 99. That is number one. It's free. Number two, it has a tool within it that is going to speed up you getting your ebook written, your blog post written, your training materials written, okay? Your workshop materials written. And this is how. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm in Google Docs right now, okay? I'm in Google Docs right now. And you just go to the tools section and page down to voice typing. Voice typing is the shiznit, okay? So I'm just going to give you a quick example so you can see how this works in practice. It has click to speak. I'm going to click to speak, okay? And I happen to have a microphone exterior, but you don't have to have one. So, hi, and this is a test. This is a test. I am showing my YouTube family how the voice typing option works. It is a phenomenal option, period, for them to use to write their ebook, period. New paragraph. I or they are going to write so many ebooks, comma, books, comma, training materials, comma, and workshop materials, comma, so much faster, period. New paragraph. Isn't this a cool tool? Period. So you guys, as you can see here, I'm gonna click it off. As you can see, right? This is the bomb diggity, right? It's pretty accurate. It's pretty accurate. Now you will have to go in and edit it, okay? But I mean, you have to do that with anything you write. But you can just talk into a free tool, Google Docs, go to tools, okay, tools, voice typing, and churn out whatever you need to churn out, whether it's that ebook you need to birth, those training materials you need to write, those blog posts. So if you guys have found value in this, please subscribe to my channel. My channel is where I talk about, how to make money online, and also tools, tips that will help you to do that. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button below, guys, And that bell, ring that bell so that you know when I drop a new video. And if you found this to be of value, drop a comment below. And with this, I say, till next time, guys, bye-bye.